Welcome to this channel. So in this video, we are going to learn and discuss about coalesce function. Coalesce function we basically use to replace null values. So we will discuss the use of coalesce function in SQL. So there are 6 points I have written. So first point we will see coalesce is a one string function. So it's one string function. Second point is it is basically used to handle null values. Third point is we can add a number of columns inside the coalesce function. So you can define number of columns inside the coalesce function. We can use function in DB objects like procedure functions and views. So these are the DB objects. Procedure inside procedure you can use the coalesce functions in functions also and in views also. So while writing any select statement also you can use the coalesce function. You can get any questions in interview. So while facing any type of interviews, you can get any questions on coalesce function. So that's why it's very important while writing any DB objects. So what is the syntax of the coalesce function? So this is the syntax. Here you can see coalesce. Here we have written number of expressions. So this is the basic syntax of the coalesce function. Coalesce open close bracket, and inside this bracket you can write the number of expressions, and it is basically used to replace null values and handle null values. So here we will see one example. So how coalesce works. So I have one employee table in public schema, and we will select this table. So we will select all the records from the employee table. So in employee table there are 4 columns, and these are employee ID, employee name, employee salary, and employee creation date. So we have total 1,000 records here. You can see the total rows. So we will apply one coalesce function inside the select statement. So what we will do. So first we will write all the columns here: employee ID, comma, employee name, comma, employee salary, comma, employee creation date, and we will select all the columns. So here you can see we fetched the 1,000 records, but all the records are present. That's why we can get the as it is result. We will see the another records. So there are some null values present in employee salary. So these are the employee names. So what we will do, so we will replace these null values with the 10,000 amount. So what we will do is we will use coalesce function for that purpose. So we need to handle coalesce function in employee salary function. So here we will write coalesce. We'll open this bracket, and we have to handle the null values in employee salary. So first we will write that column name, and then we will write what we have to define in place of null values. So we have to replace null with the 10,000 value. So this is the, but 10,000 it is integer. So coalesce, it is one uh, char function. But so we will write here char, and then we will write here integer. Okay, so this is our coalesce function. We will add the select statement. So we have to replace this employee salary null values with the 10,000 record, 10,000 value. So here you can see we can get we have faced one error: coalesce type integer and character cannot be matched. So so uh, so coalesce always return coalesce already we have discussed here. Coalesce is one string function. So coalesce always return one string data type column. So without cascading we will fire this statement. So here again we are getting one function coalesce type integer and char cannot be matched. So why we are getting this error? Because employee salary, the data type of employee salary column is integer. So what we will do, we will cast this column as a char. So char is one data type of string. So now query will return a correct record, but the coalesce, here you can see here we have not given the column name. So we will give the column name as employee salary. So here we have faced four columns: employee ID, employee name, employee salary, employee creation date. But what was the here we will face the actual column without coalesce. So here we can get the actual result in employee salary. So this query is returning some bad data. We have some issues in that query, so we will solve that also. So here you can see the six employee ID, the employee name is Ramesh Pai, and employee salary is 56,005. And here you can see by using coalesce we are getting only 56, only 5. So we are making some wrong query here. So we have to check coalesce. Employee salary we made as a char. Then it is an integer, it is a char string, then again plus a char should return is written 5. So what we'll do, we will select 56,000, then okay. So we'll see the result of this query. It is returning 5. So what we will do is from char. So in place of char, we have to use the var. Then it will return the correct result. So now here you can see the original column and the bonus used column. Here you can see the differences. So we have handled this coalesce for the null columns, and here you can see the differences between the null column coalesce function and without coalesce function. So here you can see Ramesh 1, 2, 3, 4 have the null values. Here you can see 2, 3, 4, 5 are employee IDs. There are null values are present in actual table, but by using select query, we have replaced these null values with the coalesce function. So here we have written one coalesce function. Inside that coalesce function, we have written employee salary column. Employee salary column was the integer. That's why we have cascaded with the varchar. Then we have replaced this. We have replaced null values. So if you want to replace null values with any other character, you can use that character, but we want to replace null values with the 10,000 values. That's why we have written the 10,000, and 10,000 it is integer. That's why we have again casted with the varchar. So like this we have used the coalesce function in a SQL query. So here you can again you can fire and you can check the result. So again I am going to check the result. So here you can see the result. So this is the basic explanation and basic concept of the coalesce function. While writing this coalesce function, we have faced two errors, but we have solved that. So this is the basic concept and basic information about the coalesce function. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.